Hello friends, welcome to another video. I'm Tanzil from Doplac.com, and today's video we'll have a look how you can connect your Elastic Email SMTP to Doplac.com to start sending your email campaign. Simply head it over to email marketing, then click on SMTP setup. And here it is, you can find all the SMTP you have connected to your Doplac.com before. As I have connected to SMTP, so both of them showing here. To add new SMTP, just click on add more SMTP. As I'm going to connect Elastic Email for this video, so I'm going to choose Elastic Email. Give your SMTP a name. I'm going to choose Elastic SMTP. Okay, and then here you have to provide your Elastic Email API key. If you need any help to finding your Elastic Email API key, you can check out our documentation here. Just by clicking here, you can find all the details information how you can find your Elastic Email API key. And you can continue with the video. I'm going to show you exactly how you can find your Elastic Email API key. Okay. To go to your Elastic Email account, click on Setting, click on Create Additional API Key, and give your API key name. I'm giving it Demo. Okay, I'm giving my API key full access. Click on Create. And here it is, my API key is ready. I'm just going to copy the API key, go to your Doplac account, and here it is, paste your API key here. So when you are done with your API key, now you have to provide your sender details, the email address your email campaign will be sent from. So the email address must have to be verified with your SMTP provider. To verify your email address with your SMTP provider, you can check out our documentation from here for the details information how to verify your email address or domain with your SMTP provider, especially when it comes to Elastic Email. But I'm going to show you how you can exactly actually verify your domain or email address with your Elastic Email SMTP provider. To verify your email address, just to go to your Elastic Email account, click on Settings, then you have to click on Manage Domain, and here it is. If you have any specific domain, it's the best practice to verify your domain with your email SMTP provider. But if you don't have, then you can verify a single sender or any single email address. To verify your email address or verify your domain, just click on Start Verification. And where do you have to choose? You have to, what you want to actually verify. If you want to verify your domain, if you just click on Verify Domain, or if you want to verify any specific email, just click on Email. Okay, at this moment I'm going to show you both of them. Just to verify your any specific email address, click on Verify Email, and here you have to provide your email address. Provide the email address you want to verify. Provide your email address here, then click on Continue. So after that, Elastic Email will send an email to the email address. Then you have to go to your email account and have to find the email, open it, and click the verification link to confirm your verification. When you are done and do it, it's that simple to verify your single sender. And if you want to verify your domain with your Elastic Email SMTP provider, then you have to click on Verify Domain. You have to provide your domain here, as I am providing my domain here. Okay, then click on Continue. And here it is, it's giving my instruction that it's going to provide a TXT record that I have to add in my domain DNS zone. So just click on Continue. And here it is, I do not find the record. Okay, then this is the TXT record I have to add in my domain DNS zone to actually confirm verification. And actually at this moment I'm going to skip all the steps to make this video short. If you need any help, just leave them in the comment below. If you need any help about all those things, that it's also giving me some instruction to add DKIM, CNAME or DMARC. I will upload a video next to discussing all the things, how you can add a TXT record to your DNS, or how you can add DMARC, CNAME, all the things. Actually DMARC, CNAME and DKIM, it's important. It's one of the major things that could help you to improve your email deliverability. So when you are done with verification, just go back to your Doplac account and just choose your email sender email. I'm going to choose this one, choose your from name, and that's it done. When you are done with the sender details, now you have to set up your event webhook to get your email marketing. So you get your email campaign, all the measurement, all the metrics on your Doplac.com dashboard. To receiving all data, you have to set up an email webhook. To set up a webhook, copy your webhook from your Doplac.com account, go to your email, Elastic email account, click on settings, and now you have to click on manage webhook, add a new webhook, click create webhook, give your webhook a name. I'm gonna give it webhook for Doplac. Okay, paste your webhook URL here. Now you have to choose which metrics or which things you actually want to share, want to see on your Doplac.com dashboard. I think every single point would be better for me, so I'm going to choose everything. It's totally depend on you. You can choose whatever point you want to see on your Doplac.com dashboard. Okay, so when you are done, just click on save to save your webhook. So after when you are done by saving, go to your Doplac.com account and just click on connect now, and it's done. My email Elastic email SMTP is connected to my Doplac.com account. It's done. If you want to update any information of your SMTP provider, just click on edit details. Then you can update whatever you want. If you want to add any email address from the same SMTP provider, you can do it just by clicking add email address. It's that simple. And you can also send a test email to check out does your SMTP working properly or not. And if you want to delete it, just click on delete provider. So it's that simple. When you are done, just click on update to done. Okay, all the information is updated. Now I don't have to do anything. Now everything is ready. Now I can start sending my email campaign using the Doplac.com email marketing tool. So it's a simple, you can say it's a very easy, no complicated setup. It's just simple as 1, 2, 3. It's all for today. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any question or want to share your email marketing success or have any feedback about the video, just leave them in the comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button for more updates from Doplac.com. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.